So content creation made easy. So we have a lot of AI right now whereby you can actually use them to like create content and a lot of things instead of you facing the camera and be like, yeah, talking blah 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 blah. So now I'm going to be showing you how you can actually generate content with two AI whereby you can actually post them on TikTok, on YouTube Short, Instagram Reels, and everything. And you can get followers if you are actually doing it on TikTok. Yeah, and probably you can start talking about probably addiction or this kind of stuff so that you can actually like start using that kind of niche to actually attract more followers. And when you attract more followers, you can actually like put your affiliate product on the bio of your TikTok, you get, so that you can actually attract sales instead of just doing content creation. You get what I'm saying? So let's jump into it right now. So now we're actually going to go to um um this particular AI called ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is actually, you must be really familiar with ChatGPT, right? So ChatGPT is actually a AI whereby it's actually going to be creating notes for you. Like you're going to ask him things you want to create. Probably you want to create a note on how people can stop addiction, procrastination, or things like that, you get. So you can actually like use it with ChatGPT, you get. So ChatGPT is actually going to be creating that essay for you, or let's say write up, you get. So now that write up, you're actually going to use it entirely for something else. So let's just jump into it. This ChatGPT is actually loading, and the links of everything I used right here will be actually in description below. You can see I've actually used this a lot, you get. So you can actually use that also. So if you love this video, kindly click on subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified when I drop new videos on my YouTube channel. And if you like this video, you can click on the like button also, you get. So let's jump into it. So it has limitation right here where you can actually read up, and the capacity and the examples of things you can actually ask it. So that's it. So now for the sake of this video, I'm going to be like, okay, start to write how to overcome procrastination, or how to overcome addiction. Let's say how to overcome procrastination, how to overcome addiction, right? So how to overcome addiction. So it's actually going to be telling you how to. This is actually a mistake. So yeah, this is actually. So I'll be like, okay, can you give me, YouTube shorts are actually like, maybe you can actually create a YouTube short of 60, that's 1 minute. And TikTok, I think they have increased their stuff to, I think, maybe 2 minutes or something. I don't even know. So you can actually create this and go to TikTok and start posting them, you get. So it's not that you're going to be posting a notes, right? So that's where this particular app, this particular AI shows up, yeah, which is called D dash ID. Yeah. So this is actually going to put your this particular list from the top to the bottom, is actually going to put everything into a video. It's going to turn it into a video whereby someone is actually going to be talking. You get what I'm saying? So someone is actually going to be talking and be like, yeah, you are overcoming addiction can be, instead of you saying it and facing the camera. Yeah. So I'm going to be showing you how it's actually done. And this is actually free. There is a free trial which is actually free, but you can actually create a lot of accounts and be like, yeah, I want to use this to start this content creation, you get. Or you can actually pay up, because it's actually very, very good. A very, very good AI. So you can see there's a lot of things. This is how it's actually been done. So I'm going to start my free trial right there by clicking on the free trial. So right here we're actually there. So this is how you actually do that. So I'm going to go to create video, right? So let's see how it goes. So this is it, right? You see, so you can actually add your own screenshot by showing your face. You get, no, you can show your face. These are the things they want you to actually the requirement of the picture you get. So the stuff we actually copied from here, which is all this kind of stuff, we're actually going to put it right here. So we're going to paste it right here. So let's see how it's so it said it's 12 preview limit exceeded. So this is because you haven't paid for. I'm using the free trial you get. So it's because I'm using the free trial, that's why I'm getting this stuff. So you will actually need to upgrade if you want to go fully into using this kind of method. You get what I'm saying? So you can choose the type of person that start talking for you. So you can choose maybe Amber or a girl or a boy. It depends on you. This is actually a guy, so I'm going to be choosing a guy. I'm going to choose David. So you can choose the type of stuff he's using. Maybe friendly, excited, cheerful, hopeful. Let's say hopeful, because the type of content we're actually doing is actually like um on procrastination, right? Addiction, yeah, on addiction. So yeah, I'm going to be choosing the kind of people I want for my stuff. So I'm going to be using, I think, a black man will be very good for that. So I click on the black man right here. You see, so I think I want this because it's actually TikTok, so you want it to be vertical, you get. So that is, then you can choose the background color, probably blue or like this. It depends on what you think is actually better, but I think that's good for black man, yeah. So I'm going to generate the video, right? So it's actually going to be loading up, and you're going to see how it's actually done. So you can see it actually calculate the video length, which is actually 147, and this is actually 8 credits. Normal, when you join, you are going to get 20 credits you get, and that's the free trial you get. But you want to upgrade it so that you can actually use this AI to the maximum capacity you get. So you generate that. Let's click on generate, yeah, right there. So it's going to generate the video. You can actually see it's actually generated the video, and it's actually in the TikTok format you want to do. You get, so it depends on the niche you want to get. You can actually start the TikTok format whereby you can use affiliate marketing to actually monetize it up, or probably something else. You get, it depends on what you want to do. You get what I'm saying? So let's wait for it. So your video is actually done for you here. Let's actually look at it and see how it's actually been said. So you can actually download it right here. Yeah, it's actually loading up. Let's see. Let's see how it's going. How it's going. So yeah.
Overcoming addiction
So
can
you
be a
can see how it's actually doing.
challenging
But
and
it is
difficult
possible with the
process,
right
but it
approach
is
and
possible
support.
with the right
Man,
approach and
here are some
support.
steps you can take to
Here are
overcome
some
addiction.
steps you can take to overcome
Acknowledge
addiction.
the problem. The first
Acknowledge
step
the
in
problem.
overcoming
The
addiction.
first
So
step in
that's actually
overcoming
I
addiction.
don't, but I think the voice is actually not a black man voice, man. That's so funny. But that's actually how it done. So you need to like try to like, okay, the picture you're using, let it kind of match with the voice you get. So I didn't actually think of that, but that's actually my mistake, which you guys need to like actually like and make use of. Try to make it match to each other so that um you don't want to like fuck it up, you get, and make it kind of real. You get, this doesn't looks real, like not really that.
Addiction
See,
is to acknowledge that you have a
addiction is
problem.
to acknowledge that you
You
have a
need to be
problem.
honest with yourself.
You need to be
Because
honest
it
with
doesn't look
yourself.
like
Like the voice, not the picture. The picture is actually so good. The video is actually, but the audio is actually kind of bad because doesn't look really real. So that's what you want to do. So we want to download that and post it on your TikTok and start your content creation very easily. So you can do this over and over and over and over again. It's actually so simple. It's not going to be taking you more than, unless the AI is actually slow, it's not supposed to take you more than, let's say, 20 minutes to actually finish everything and start posting it up. You get it? So you can actually do like 10 videos a day, put it on your TikTok, 10 videos a day, put it on your TikTok, and start your affiliate links, put in your affiliate links on like that's actually how it's done. Okay, so if you like my video, click on the notification bell and click on the subscribe or the red subscribe button down below. Just click on it. It's actually fucking free. Okay, you can click on that. And if you like this video, click on the like button. Click on the like button. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for everything.